Joe from Willowbrook has rusty pipes.
No, they're galvanized.
I know that area. I live up there.
Problems.
All galvanized.
Lots of galvanized. So as Joe writes, I'm told there are two ways to fix them. One, replace them all with PEX. Mm-hmm. The other is clean out the lines and keep the existing pipes. Which do you think is better, Tom?
Well, those are two options. Let's start with that. So I would call, and if you want to talk to both types of people, you can. I really like the fact that if you're not remodeling your home and you just want to get the pipes renewed, don't tear your house up. Use the Ace Duraflow system, TDT. They can come out and give you the specifics on it. They can make sure it can be used in your case, and of course it does work, and they will warranty it and back it up.
Yeah, and not only, and so if you don't want to do that, if you really are heart set on doing PEX,
and some people are,
you can call TDT for that too.
That's true. You can. So I would look at both, but in most cases in that area of town, I know for sure because I've been living up there for so many years, the TDT method is really going to be good, and I tell you why.
Yeah.
The pipe up there was 1960s Pittsburgh pipe, not the imported stuff that was in the 80s. That has a little bit more difficult time, although it can still be relined and fixed. But those pipes were really good, and once you clean them out, you've got another long life with them, and probably even longer now because the water never touches the metal anymore. It's got a protective coating on it.
Yeah, and that's the point. They're not just going to clean the pipe out, right? They're going to actually put a liner in there, so it's a pipe inside a pipe.
Yeah, it's a micro thin layer of epoxy, so the water never touches the pipe, and it coats the joints, the elbows, and the pipe itself.
Lasts forever. And on the same note, though, the PEX system is excellent, and TDT does that as well.
It's the option.
And they also do, if you really are a glutton for punishment, they do copper repiping too.
Ooh, that's a lot of holes in the wall.
That's a lot of holes. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. If you're a glutton for punishment, but anyway, either one of those, and TDT can help you out. And we can help you out no matter what you need done around your house. You want to do a project, you want to save some money, you want to figure something out. You got questions on life. Tom takes them all.
Not really. No.
Yeah, he'll take the questions.
No marriage calls.
Yes. In fact, Tom, nobody knows more about getting married than Tom.
No.
So go ahead and send us your questions.
More.
Yes, you and your betrothed can sit and write to us by visiting HomeShowRadio.com and clicking on the Ask Tom button. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.